Guys, welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that in case I release a new video you can get it. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to insert watermarks in specific pages. So we are going to do it in three ways. I'm first of all going to show you how to insert uh, and modify a text watermark. Then secondly, how to insert and modify a picture watermark. Then lastly, I'm going to be showing you how to insert watermark on specific pages. So we are going to start by opening Word. I'll press Windows button, then I search Word. I type Word. It shows up here, then I can click on it. On clicking on it, I can choose here blank document. So this is our document. Let me uh, zoom out and we see this is our document and it is blank. So I want to add another page. I'll come to insert, then page, then I choose blank page. Again, add another one to make three pages. You can see there are three. So now here to add a watermark, you have to click on the page you want to add a watermark. You put the cursor on that page. After that, you come to design, then come to choose watermark here. I'll click on this drop down on watermarks, then if I want to add watermark on this page, I will right click on it, then I say insert at a current document. Then I will insert on this current document. Meaning now other pages have no watermark. When to look at it, if we are to look at it on the reading mode, what we put on the reading mode, you see only this page has a watermark. This one does not have. So let me take it back. So now here we only have the watermark on this page, but this page we don't have. And also the side page, there is no watermark. So I'm going to undo that, and by controlling Z, pressing Control Z to undo. I want to insert on all those pages. I'll come to watermarks, then I just left click on this, confidential. It will insert in all pages. As you can see, this page 3 is having a watermark. Page 2 is also having a watermark, and our page 1 is also having a watermark. So let me control Z to undo, or for you to undo you can come here and click on that. So now this is how we can insert a watermark. This is a built-in watermark. So these ones are built-in watermarks. They are already built and they are provided by Microsoft Word for us. So I want to insert a custom watermark now. I'll come to watermark. It is you choose design, then you come to watermarks, then you come to custom watermark. This time around, I'm going to choose custom watermark. After that, I will choose text watermark here. Text watermark. Then on text watermark, here I'm going to put the text. I will highlight this and then I type the text. I can say most in capital letters. Let me caps lock. I can say most wanted. Okay, then I say okay. So it is able to apply most wanted to every part. I can also modify it by coming to custom watermark. Then if I want to modify, I can choose here. Here is the color. I can come and put the color to red. Then I can also come to auto. To this is the size. I can put the size to 40 maybe, and I can change the font. I can put the font to be. I can maybe choose this one. After that, I say OK. So you can see it's able to put the watermark most wanted to every page. Now let's look at how do we uh, insert a watermark on a specific page. Like let's say I wanted to insert this custom watermark on a specific page. How do I insert it? So I have most wanted here. I also have most wanted here. I have most wanted here. So now I want to insert it on only a specific page. What I will do, I'll come to here and double click on the extreme end of the page, at the extreme beginning of the page. Sorry. Then I double click on it. It will pop close header and footer. When it pops this, I'm going to come and click on the watermark. I'll come and click on, sorry, let me do it again, do this again. Let me Control Z. Okay. I'm going to double click here. Then I choose the handle button. So when I click on it, the watermark, it will show these handle buttons. So I will come to watermark. I'll come to design, then watermark. Then on watermark, I come to save selection to watermark gallery. Then I'll save this selection to watermark gallery. Then I put the name of this watermark. I can say most wanted. Most wanted. So it will save this watermark most wanted to the watermark gallery. So I'll say OK. When I say OK, I will come back to watermark. Then I'll this time choose remove watermark. I'll come to remove watermark. So watermark is now removed in every page. So now to remove these headers, I will double click on the page. When I double click on the page mark U, it will remove the headers. So now I want to insert the watermark on only this page. I will come to watermark. Then I look for my watermark, most wanted, on the gallery. I will look for it on the watermark gallery. It is here. This is our watermark. I will right click on it. Then I say insert on current document position. So I'll insert it on the current document position. I will click on this. Then we shall find our watermark is inserted only the current document position. All these other ones not have. So this is how we can insert watermark on specific pages in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you found it important. give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I have other videos. Please subscribe and you can get more. Thank you.